welcome back to another video. And in this video we made an addition to the carbon fiber mirror caps and the carbon fiber spoiler, and it's just up front here. And as you guys can see, we have the canards and we have the front lip in carbon fiber. Just looks so aggressive, and it really completes the look of the car. You guys just look at that. I'll give you a backed up view here. Looks so much better in person. Looks incredible. I don't know if it does justice on the camera, but we have the carbon fiber canards. Now these are just 3M'd on, these canards. I didn't drill into the bumper. These are just 3M on. So those are 3M. And then how you install the front lip is, because it is a one piece, what it does is you just take off some bolts underneath the bumper. They have a pattern going all across the underside of the bumper. You just take out those bolts, you put on the front lip, and then just screw those bolts on one by one back into the same position they were in. And we didn't have to drill any extra bolts or anything like that. It was all factory aligned, so there was no need to do any more drilling in. I'll give you a side profile here. Yeah, it's just an incredible look. Really completes the look of the car, because we have the carbon fiber mirror caps and we have the spoiler. So it really completes the look. And this is from Extreme Online Store. The carbon fiber canards and front lip is from Extreme Online Store. And again, we'll leave their link in the description. If you do have a CT5V, definitely pick one of these up. It just looks incredible and completely transforms the look of the car. So definitely an addition I would do again. And it just looks so aggressive. Looks so incredible. Just incredible look, guys. Now we complete the look of the car. We have the front lip, we have the carbon fiber mirror caps, and we have the carbon fiber rear spoiler, and it just looks incredible. So Extreme Online Store, if you guys are in the market for it, get it from Extreme Online Store. The fit is amazing and the quality is good as well. So if you guys are looking, Extreme Online Store has it, and it fits perfectly. And it looks so good with all the other carbon fiber accents from Extreme Online Store. We have the mirror caps and the spoiler from Extreme Online Store. So guys, check them out for all of the accessories for the CT5V. And the blue is looking pretty good as well. Blue with the carbon fiber and black accents. Looks incredible. So we'll leave their link down in the description below. And if you guys have any comments, if you guys like how it looks, if you don't like how it looks, leave your comments in the comment section below. And drop a like if you enjoyed the video. But it's just going to be a short one today. And it just looks incredible in the sun. So leave your thoughts down below, smash that like button, and subscribe if you are new. Tons of new content on the way. And we will see you all in the next video.